I mean, something hit me about 7 or 8 years ago. Every time, because I do some work in the morning and I present on, the why and the work, and then we take a break, and a couple teachers will always come up and say, "This sounds really good." And I said, "Thank you." They say, how many kids do you have at your school, Kim? I say 733. Oh, we have 735. It's not gonna work at our school. And then I hear things, well, with our population and our demographic, and all that means is that some poor white kids, black kids, and brown kids have moved into your area. That's all that means, and it becomes a built-in excuse not to get the work done. It is always about the adults. And in Ruthless Equity, which you can find information about, ruthlessequity.com, I talk about how I don't care what the news says. We live in the first world. Like, we got first world conveniences. Like, we got to make up problems to have this at this point, right? We're not running from saber-tooth tigers. No one's chasing us to our car. We're not running down buffaloes to make meat this afternoon while we watch the Ohio State game. We're not doing that. So we got to manufacture urgency. And we do when we believe kids are worth it, when we believe circumstances warrant it. We are at our most creative, our most innovative, our most focused. We are at our best when our back is to the wall and we decide the only way out is that way. And that's what the work is about. It's not about the kids and where they're from. Because every one of us has been in a situation where the math is not working out. Stuff is not adding up. Things are not logical. Like all of the logic says this should not happen. And you know what we do? We black out with our eyes open and we make it happen. Because mission kicks in when the math stops working.